Hello, and welcome to part two of the Destiny Discover series. In 5 minutes or less, my goal is to show you how to use Destiny Quest to browse by topic and then use call numbers to find interesting books in 60 seconds or less. When you walk into the library, you will have the confidence to be able to find the book without asking Mrs. Podmore or Mrs. Queen for help. Okay, so at this point, you should be comfortable getting to the main page of Destiny Quest. This is what the main page looks like. So what I'm going to show you how to do is browse by topic. Now, there are a lot of features to Destiny Discover, and I'm not here to show you every feature right now. But what I want to do is show you how to use browse by topic to find interesting books. As you can see, there are many topics to choose from. I can read about fantasy, science fiction, mystery, sports, horror, romance, and others. I'm in the mood to read about romance, so I will click on the romance topic. Now, there are many results. Some are ebooks, and I'm not here to talk about ebooks today, but I will one day. So I'm going to go with the first book, Child of the Northern Spring. It's really important that you look at the call number. Here is how to use the call number to help you find the book in the library. First off, if the call number starts with the letter F, that means it is fiction. That means it's a novel or a book with chapters. If it starts with SC, I'm going to scroll down and see if any of these books start with SC. No, I don't see any at the moment. But if it were to start with SC and not the letter F, that means it's a story collection, meaning it's a book that has a lot of short stories in it. Last but not least, if the book starts with three numbers, or if it starts with three numbers and then a period or a dot and then two more numbers, that means it's nonfiction. So just take a second. Take a look at this call number for the Book of Merlin. Call number FWHI means that it's fiction. The next thing I want you all to see is that the three letters that come after the F, that tells you where to look in the library. These three letters are the last name of the author. So take a second and look right here. The author is T.H. White. So WHI are the first three letters of the author's last name. So the books are arranged in the library in alphabetical order by author's last name. So another example, Isabel Holland, FHOL are the first three letters of the author's last name. So when you find an interesting book, I want you to write down the title and I want you to write the call number. Now, the last thing I want to show you is when you click on the title, you will be given a summary and you will also be given similar topics or subjects that come up in the book. So Child of the Northern Spring is going to be a love story. It has to do with queens. It has to do with knights. And if I want to read about queens or knights, I can click on knights, for instance. And guess what? It's almost like I did a second search. And in the search bar, you have knights and knighthood, and you have a list of books in the Chester High School Library about knights. Your goal is to write down one book title and the call number. Thank you for listening.